So hi guys, welcome to my channel, the Worlds Apart channel. So are you there and you want to apply for a job in the Royal Caribbean cruise line? So it's very easy. Just type my rclhome.com and then just you look slightly down here. There is are you a new applicant? So you just enter here, you just straight away go in there. It's going to take us to the next page. So you're going to create your account right here. So you're going to fill in your first name, your last name, and then your nationality, your gender, and then you're going to tick whether you're at least 18 years of age, and you can read all through that, and then you're going to create your password and verify it, guys. So for me, I have an account with them, so it's I'm just gonna show you how to go about it. So it's really easy, guys. It's not complicated. So for me, I'm gonna log in right there. It's gonna take me I have my own account, so it's gonna come in here. So once you create your account, it's gonna look like this. You're gonna register, they're gonna ask you to fill in where you live, your address, and all those questions. Finally, you're gonna create it and it's gonna look like this, guys. It's not a difficult thing to do, guys. If you are stuck, you can contact me and 0794222937. I can be able to assist where possible, where you feel stuck. And definitely, guys, just subscribe to my channel, tell a friend to tell a friend, share this content to your family and friends, and I'll really appreciate, guys. Subscribe to my channel, the Worlds Apart channel. See you then.